10-year Treasury note futures opened today slightly higher with yields testing the downside as news flow from the ECB Governing Council debating on whether to increase their asset purchase program on a limited and temporary basis. That sent Eurozone yields on their heels, getting near 3.5-month lows. In particular, German 10-year Bund down 4 basis points in a day, and Italian 10-year yield down 4.5 basis points on the day. Eurozone data, not so bad. The German October trade balance number did miss expectations, although exports increased to a 15-month high. Imports touched a 7-month high. Get into the bulk of the U.S. session. Price action more muted, although continuing to try to test the upside, as we see that the Eurozone stock markets closed in the red, including the CAC 40 and the DAX. Omicron news flow continues to hit the airwaves. Traders sifting through that. What's it going to do? And perhaps adding more of a safe haven climate to 10-year futures, as it were. Data today was impressive. Jobless claims in the U.S., 184,000 versus 220,000 prior. Continuing claims slipped more than 82,000 more than expectations. We had a $22 billion 30-year auction this afternoon, the last long bond auction of the year. Not as good as yesterday's 10-year, although no worse than feared. Now looking at options, I look at the CME Group CVOL. March options, 1-month basis trading in the 25th percentile, 3-month basis at 75th percentile. At the money vol, lower, upwing and downwing, or call wing and put wing, both lower, although the put is down more than the call. Therefore, skew would be higher, which it is. March options, 131.5 call seems to be the volume leader, and put side to 129 put. Lastly, CME Group micro mini yield-based futures continue to grow in volume and open interest. Today is no exception. Yesterday's volume was 5,615 with an open interest of 2,218.